That's one of those things you mentioned that it's going to be hard. That's how good he is. It's hard to figure out, but the help can't be late. I know that for sure.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon mga kabayan, mga friends. So what we're doing today is we're gonna put this gym, universal gym equipment right on that floor inside the garage. So right now we're cleaning it up. I guess squat. It's a squat universal gym system. So we put it on that floor. So it's a beautiful day here, so we're gonna, my two boys are doing it right now. Look at the garage. So we're gonna go and so what's going on up there? Put the rubber mats? No.
Yeah, later. I still have to buy.
Huh?
I still have to buy.
What's that little one there?
I don't think it's big enough.
Oh.
I can put it there for now.
Oh, okay. Well, we can put it up there anyways, right?
Yeah.
Just lift it up.
Dang.
Yeah. We got guys. We have a wine, liquor, glass shelf right here. Oh, you can put this plywood, D?
Yeah.
Floor. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna put this squat. What's it called? Universal gym? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Probably lay this down.
Did you take a picture? Yeah, didn't you take a picture before?
Yeah.
So this, I can do this. I used to do this, weight 40 pounds a piece. My bench. Dante, hi buddy. You gonna help? Nice color hat. Huh? Bante, Wow, we're gonna fix it. We're gonna put a gym here, buddy.
Look right up, buddy.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, look who's there. Yeah. Eric, magkuhan din na ba? Okay, go in the backyard. Go. Here. I'm supervising. Hey. Hey. Move it away. What's your finger? We got 2 frames done. We got 2 more already done. We're gonna stand it up and then put the rest of the support. All right.
Yeah, yeah.
So that is what it looks like. Right? So this is basically the front part, and that's the back. Ah, that was easy. So really, very strong metal frame. These actually, this was supposed to go like this. This goes in like that. Oh, really steady and tight. Oh, she's gonna come off. Very strong. See, I forgot to throw these around. Yeah. That's it, right? Or another bar across straight.
No.
Oh yeah, to the inside, right? You put it on the inside? Oh, okay. I thought there was something.
We like to put it outside so we can walk back with it.
Oh yeah.
But you can have it here.
Safety. For safety, right?
Or well, this is gonna be like turned around, right?
No, I thought there was one bar here for safety. Like you can do a spot, you know what I'm saying? There's one across here? Oh yeah, that one. Right.
Flip it.
Good job. Good. That's it. Oh, you want to put the plywood down? You probably don't need it, eh? You might need it for a thing, eh? You can put your mat there when you do the workout.
Yeah.
Like,
The,
yeah, the plywood.
oh no, it's corrected now. Remember the word part? It's right
Yeah.
side up now.
Here, sample. Put some weights on it. So that's a squat rack right there. Okay, let me try it.
Okay.
You gotta place this way. All right, let me see. This right? 45 pounds.
Oh yeah. Down, down. Lower. He needs a
45 pounds. This is a 45 pounds bar. Where's the weights for this? Okay, that's a warm up. This how it works.
There's no space in the car, right? Car?
Oh yeah. Bishop.
Oh shoot.
Wait a minute.
Your ass is it.
He needs help. He needs to make himself. You can't put it in the spot.
No, he's on the way.
He has to do it up. And then like get out.
All right.
With so many ways to shop PetSmart.ca, your pet is
Okay.
and more time hanging around with you. Get all your pet essentials when you need
Go.
them from ownership.
Okay, so we're done. So, Dylan, do this. You gotta put it up, and we're gonna start working out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't. He's too short.
Okay, so
Thanks for watching the game.
that's it, guys. So thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, likes, and thumbs up. Bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye for now.